Okay, I'm gonna taste one of these.
Be sure to cook.
Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, I'm gonna be making dark chocolate bourbon cookies. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, I've got me a half cup of pecans that I'm going to crush up. Okay, guys, and this is what I'm looking for. So 1 cup of flour. I need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now you need 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Now I need a 1/2 teaspoon of granulated salt. I've got a whole teaspoon of vanilla powder. In my flour mix, I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of cocoa powder. This is a 1/2 teaspoon. And I'm putting it through another strainer because I didn't want any lumps. I'm going to mix this up because that's that cocoa. Okay, for the butter, you need unsalted butter that sits out. For this recipe, we're going to be using 6 tablespoons. I'm going to cream this butter. Okay, I'm doing a 1/2 cup of light brown sugar. Okay, you're going to beat this 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Got regular granulated fine sugar. We're going to use 1/3 cup. Okay, we're going to mix this up with that. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and whip this up and get this all smoothed in here. Okay, I got me some bourbon here, you all. We're going to use 1 teaspoon. If you don't have a measuring cup or 1 teaspoon, just use the cap. Make sure you rinse off the cap though. We're using 1 teaspoon of that bourbon. Slowly beat that. Okay, I've got some water that's simmering a little bit. I've got a bowl on top of it, a glass bowl, but you want to kind of turn it down. You want it to simmer. I'm going to add 2 of my unsweetened chocolates, and you can get these in the store. So unsweetened chocolate I'm going to add in here, and I'm going to melt this down. Okay, you remember that unsweetened chocolate that we melted and cooled? See, it's just a drizzle or so that's going in here. Okay, I'm going to slowly beat this chocolate on up into this mix. Okay, remember my flour mix, guys? Hand beat this. And I'm going to add 1/2 of my flour mix in there. Let's go ahead and dump that rest. Make sure you get all of that flour. Using a 1/2 cup of chocolate morsels. If you want more in your cookies, you can get as many as you want. You don't want to overwhelm it. A 1/2 cup in here would be plenty enough. You got all this chocolate. This is a real blowout chocolate cookie. Okay, now I mix that up. Now least but not last, we got the fine chopped nuts. Okay, my cookies is nice and mixed. Okay, I've got my cookies out. They've been setting. I took them out for a little bit. You can tell they're nice and soft. I'm going to dig in here and I'm going to get a scoop or two. This is like a 4-ounce scooper. So we're going to make about a couple of these. I've got my timer on 10 minutes. It might take a little longer. It depends on your oven. All right, I got it going. I'm putting these in the oven. 10 minutes at 350 degrees. And here they are, my dark chocolate bourbon cookies. Okay, I'm going to taste one of these. Oh my God, that is really good. Oh my God, you all going to have to make these cookies. These cookies are all that. They are delicious. Okay, so these are my dark chocolate bourbon cookies. I hope you enjoyed this show today, and I hope you like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey, because guess what? I didn't make these bourbon cookies alone. You and me, we did this together, and we can make plenty more dishes. All you got to do is come back. Hey, see you next time. Bye.